Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.
Well, we are still about an hour away from the ocean, but Maka wanted to get out and stretch her legs. And there's also a little restroom off the side of the road for Silhouette or Mommy that needs to stop. Some pretty water, it's moving, so this might be a tributary that goes out into the ocean. They got a trail down there, or a bike path. All right, we're gonna get back on the road. Come on, Maka. Let's go, baby, let's go. We pretty much made it to our destination, but I'm gonna stop in this little grocery store to get up a few knickknacks. And this once a year, my wife is gonna have a beer with me. So I'm gonna pick her up some beer that she likes. What a cute little small town grocery store. Love these little beachside towns. We'll get a little film of it here so you can see what they have.
How'd you know?
Ooh, look, they got a crab pot. Seafood market and restaurant. All right, we'll see you in a bit. We pulled off because Silhouette wants to see if she's tall enough.
I swear.
You're tall enough on that one, but isn't there another one over here? So Silhouette's gonna race for the first time. She's trying to hide her head. Let's see if she crashes or not. This is her first time driving. And Acapella's gonna drive, and I'm gonna drive too today. We got 3 tickets. It's $12 to do this, by the way. So no matter if they're kids or not. So it's $36 to ride this for whatever, 5 minutes, I guess. All right, we're lined up. Acapella's in front of me, and Silhouette's in front of her. And then you got one man and his daughter in a double right there. Wish us luck.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string.
You okay? Sorry. And that's how you beat your kid. Hi, baby.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing.
Say anything, champ?
Yes.
Oh, well, you suck.
Practice and experience.
All right. Get in. Well, I'm glad you guys had fun.
Where are we going next?
How do you feel, champ? Your first time beating your dad at anything in life.
Good.
You feel good? How did Silhouette do?
Good.
She did. She didn't crash. Say hi. Can you see me? Yeah, I know. Okay. Silhouette wanted to introduce her new boyfriend. Oh, look, Sasquatch or Bigfoot has a brother. This one has pink eyes. Hello, Sasquatch. How are you doing? I'm doing fine. How are you? Whoa, did you hear that? Freaky. Huh? Got a lot of nice hoodies here. If you guys want to buy something, that's what we're here for. That's what vacation's for. To have fun and spend money.
I want to buy here.
Let's go inside. They always have little knickknacks here. Ooh, if anyone has a munchies jar. No, no, no. Don't do that. It's actually legal here in Washington State. It's one of the few states where you can legally buy marijuana if you're into that kind of thing. No judgment. Those are real. I'll be darned. I thought they were plastic. You can buy seashells or go down by the ocean and find them yourself. Which is probably more fun than what we'll do later.
I want like a jacket.
Long Beach, Washington mermaid. What's that? Fuzzy hat? That's so you. Oh, this is so mom. You get some a Faye jacket. Undefeated hide and seek world champion. Ooh, we're coming up on a sign that says beach. So before we go to where we're staying, we're gonna go check out the beach. Let's see. It's a nice little road going back here. Ooh, I can see the ocean. You probably can't see it yet on the camera. Or maybe you can. Let's see. I'll turn it back on when we get closer. All right. Dangerous rip currents here at this beach, it says. No lifeguard warning. We're just gonna drive right in the water and wash the car. No. That salt water would eat the parts alive. We'll drive down a little bit though so we can get out for a second. We don't really have our like B&B or whatever we're staying at, the little condo where we stay when we're here, isn't ready yet. They're still fixing it, getting it ready. So just park here and maybe let the dog walk by the water. So I decided, what the heck, let's just drive right up to the water as far as we could go. This is probably a safe distance. You can see the water comes up this far, so I'll be careful. But I want to get out. Let's see. It is awesome here in the Pacific Ocean. How you like my hat? Chee! Woo! Awesome. World's largest ocean. Yeah, home of the Pacific Islands, far way over that way. About, I don't know, about 3,000 miles probably. Also, the legend of the undersea kingdom called Lemuria, which is similar to Atlantis, where Aquaman's from, but that's over in the Atlantic Ocean. Lemuria was supposed to be an underground city that that was in the Pacific Ocean. Pretty cool. I'm gonna see if the doggy wants to walk. For some reason, Maka's don't remember the last time she came here. She's a little freaked out. Every time we try to pick her up to take her out to see the water, she kind of pulls back. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be scared of the water. Say hi, Mama. Say hi, Stilo. Mommy can't talk. She's got her mouth full of Doritos, I guess. Hi. There, she swallowed. I wish it was sunny today, but it's about what, 60 degrees out? I'll put the Celsius for 60 degrees Fahrenheit down below. It may be cool to some people, but it feels perfect for us. We are so happy that it is not hot out here. We needed some cool air. For sure. Okay, we finally got her out. Let's go take her by the water. It's okay, remember you ran in this water when you were a puppy. It's all right, don't be scared. Very windy out here, which is, hopefully you can hear me talk or hear us a little bit. We'll let her get in the water later. We just want to have the room so we can come back and wash her little paws off from all the sand and stuff. All right, we'll see you guys later. We're driving a little bit down the beach. Beach driving's a little bit different feeling than regular cement. If you've ever driven on it, you know it's always best to have four-wheel drive if possible. I guess front-wheel drive would be okay too if the sand is not too fine. Right by the water though, it's fine because it's nice and packed from all the ocean compacting it down. So we are here now in the place, the same place we went the last couple years. We like this one, the way it's set up. It's near the park over there. Trail of the Ocean's right over there. There's some family reunion going on there, but there's like 12 barbecue grills, so I'm going to use one of those when I get cooking. First I have to get all the stuff ready. Here's our little kitchenette. And I'm sorry I forgot to start filming, but I already chopped. I chopped it in half so I could butterfly it to help it cook better, so let me season it up. Alright, let's grab Mrs. Chicken Little here and lay it there. Alright, let me wipe my hands off here. We're going to put some generous portion of tamari sauce on it.
Oh my god, what's this hot?
Salt. Garlic powder. And just black pepper. So just the basic 3 things we like to use all the time. So we're going to grill this, but I am going to slow cook it first. I don't want to be out there grilling forever, and they don't have covers on the grill to slow cook it. So I'm going to slow cook this first, about 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, and then we'll take it out in the grill with our other goodies. Okay, the other things we have is we have a nice chunk of salmon we bought here in town. We have these beef kebabs there. The kids love that kind of stuff. Have some brats or sausages with cheddar inside. Have those beef back ribs that Aseka loves so much, and some corn. And also we brought with us some, I bought some macaroni salad, pasta salad, and of course we brought a bunch of steamed rice, just in case they didn't have a rice cooker here. All right, we are gonna go to the beach while this is slow cooking for 45 minutes. Maka, come here, baby. We're walking out here in the freezing cold water. Well, it's not that cold. If I can walk in it, it's not that cold because I am a hot water fan. I do not take cold baths. I like hot baths. Maka, come on, girl. So you might have seen in the thumbnail, Silhouette was practicing her Siva Afi with her legs covered by the Pacific Ocean, which was pretty cool. I think I got a couple, I was taking photographs though, not video. So there's a whirlpool, look right there, behind you, whirlpool. Right there, see it spinning? There must be a little dip in there and the different waters meeting together, so don't get sucked down into oblivion. Oh wow, this is getting deep. What? Look at the big birds. Oh, they got a clam. They got a clam. Hi. Ah, ah. There he goes. He's gonna take off. Bye-bye. What is he eating there?
Clam.
Mama's way back there. All right, we're back from the beach. We washed up Maka. She's relaxed on the couch. Got our salmon here. I'm gonna cook it in foil, kind of steam it for her. A little salt and pepper and butter, and that's it. Then over here, our chicken is done slow cooking. That way I don't have to worry about keeping it on the grill too long. And I'm just gonna throw these ribs right in there, and I'm gonna fry up everything so I don't care if they intermingle and touch a little bit. They will not be contaminated because the cooking will clean all that mess off. There we go. Let me just get the brats and I'm gonna go out to the grill with the rest of the meat here. As you can see, I can't help but put a little soy sauce on that too. Add that as well. And then add a little salt and pepper to the steak and ribs. Nothing too fancy. Not trying to make it special. We just want to have fun, and we're going to be hungry because the girls went to the swimming pool. And nothing like after going to the ocean is eating some good food. So I've got the grill, the briquette started a fire. I just got to wait for them to stop flaming. Got all the food in here, and you can see they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grills here you can use, and a sink. Really nice setup. I really like it. Yeah, it's a low for lava, everyone. We are back. So the fire has went down. I'm gonna put on the steak kebabs first. Let's put them right over the heat. And I also want to get this butterfly chicken over the heat. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks delicious. I hope it actually tastes delicious when we're done. We'll put these ribs on here that my wife just loves. And I may have to move these around so they don't get burnt. There's those. And then these little brats. Let's put these at the bottom. And I'll move them around if I need to. And last but not least, that chunk of butter over the salmon, I'm gonna put that over here for now, and I'll move it if I need it. All right. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, it took a while, but everything is done. It looks delicious. Let's grab the ribs here. There we go. Got the ribs and steak kebabs. And these cheese-filled sausages. You notice there's one missing? I don't know how that happened. And the salmon. Put it over there. And then grab this whole chicken. Bam! Alright, let's go inside and eat. Alright, I brought it in the house. We're going to cut up some chicken. Bring your plates towards me, girls.
What?
Bring your plates towards me, maybe. Don't take it yet. Ribs are for mommy. These are ribs. Oh my gosh. You want some ribs too? Who wants ribs?
Me.
Hey, hold on. Bring your plates near me. There's a rib. Look how nice. Medium it's cooked. Don't take it yet. Where's yours, Silhouette? Silhouette has only eaten her rice. Wow. Here's cheddar filled sausage.
Oh yeah, we're going to try
What does that mean?
it. Has cheese inside.
Look at that. Look at that salmon. Oh my gosh. Let's put this over here. Mom's fork. I don't even know if you can see me. Can you see this? There we go. Look at that salmon. We'll put that right there. And we'll get Mommy a chicken drumstick. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Oh. I know Silhouette likes the breast meat.
I know, honey.
Where's Slows? Right here? Do you want any chicken, Pella? You got chicken? We need salt and pepper. What else do I need? Oh, a kebab. Here we go. The girls are gonna get the steak kebabs.
Those are good.
And there's Silhouettes. Okay, take your food. Me and Mom will deal with this. I'm not done with your plate yet. But you can open up those things for me.
Oh, there's things here.
Yes. Things there.
Mm-hmm.
I need a napkin. Can you give me a napkin, baby girl? Napkin, please. Thank you. Anyone want some pasta salad?
Oh.
You sure? Look at it.
I have a little bit of everything.
It's very cute. Yeah, a little bit of everything.
It is very pretty.
There's that. She wants a little bit of tater salad. Oops. And I don't know where the thigh's at. How do you cut a thigh off? I'm not a very good bone cutter. Oh, good enough. We'll put that right there for her. How's that look? You got a lot of goodies there. All right, let me finish the plates and then we'll get to eating.
Come closer.
All right. We are eating now. Finally. Oh my goodness, a little salt. I've never had this Italian salad. Let me try it. Not bad. Tastes like a salad though. Mmm. The the sausage is really good. Silhouette, this is her first time eating corn. How's your ribs, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good, sweetie.
Mm-mm.
I guess that means good.
It's really good.
The chicken's super tender. I'm gonna add some more pepper and salt to mine.
You guys like my rib? Huh?
Baka. Baka.
Like the rib?
These little sausages are really good too. Wow, I'm surprised.
She doesn't like the sausage.
Cheese coming out of it. The cheese.
Can you believe that, Sulu? Maka does not like the sausage. Even though it's got, what do you call it? Her favorite cheese in it. She doesn't like it. Look, there's a kid with
The store-bought macaroni salad, even though it's store-bought, isn't bad. Not enough mayonnaise. But it's not bad. The rice. Acapella wants more corn, which is understandable. It's delicious. Here's the Italian pasta, like salad. See that?
It is surprisingly good.
Mommy liked it. I'm kind of on the fence about it. I like it, but I don't know if it's something I want to eat with my food. I almost want to eat it before my food, like a salad.
You know who would be making stuff like this?
Who would be making stuff like this, honey?
Beautiful.
Oh,
These are the kind of
our
stuff
daughter.
that she would make.
Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, pretty good. It's our anniversary this weekend. We go on this little trip every year. And we sure enjoy it. Next year is a big milestone anniversary. So who knows what's going to happen next year. But for this year, we go to the ocean and enjoy our family. We appreciate all you watching. If you made it this far, we sure appreciate it. Like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want. If you don't, that's fine too. God bless everyone. Hope you're enjoying some good food tonight as well. Let me try the rib. I never really tried these, so. Wow. That beef rib is soft. Look at that, medium. Medium well. Or medium rare, actually. Oh, perfect. It's so good. One more extra salt. The chicken is so tender. It's so good. How are you doing, sweetie?
Great.
Good. I'm glad you're enjoying it, sweetie. Oh, what else do we got in
A
here?
lot of food.
Yeah, it's a lot of food. It's not even Sunday. You try some of that chicken wing skin. That is good. Oh my gosh.
So look, we'll practice up there. Right in front, right here.
Sula's trying to do Siva Afi practice in the hotel. Or the B&B. Can I see you, Silhouette? Mommy's telling her to go outside.
Silo. Outside.
Silo, go outside if you make banging noise.
Hey. Yeah, Silo.
Well, everyone's done. They left the table pretty much. My wife's getting ready to. Oh my gosh, I'm so full. What is that, chicken?
You know what I forgot to grab from the store?
What did you forget to grab from the store?
Frosted Flakes.
Oh, Mommy didn't get her cereal. Tony the Tiger.
Forgot about it.
It's alright. We'll make some scrambled eggs for her in the morning. She loves scrambled. Well, we sure appreciate all of you stopping by. Let's say Lava. Let's see if Asetta has something to say.
Hi everyone. Thanks for watching.
Happy anniversary, honey.
Ooh, happy anniversary, honey. Wait, it's not anniversary yet.
Tomorrow is.
I know.
Tonight at midnight. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to see what happens at midnight. We can't show that though. Alright. Love you guys. Thanks so
Peace.
much.
Bye.
Yeah. Fa. Soy fua. Love you guys. Until next time. Peace. Alright. Bye bye everyone. My goodness. I'm so full. And my shirt's all messy. Oh my gosh. It's almost 12:45. 12:45. Headed for the subway home. I took my time. 'Cause I felt so all alone. Not far away. I heard a funny sound. Took a look around and I could see her face. Smiled as she came, calling out my name. That's the Spinners, by the way. 70s on Sirius XM. I listen to the 70s music all the time. Sorry to interrupt the video. Peace! So even though Silhouette is here and our vacation, she wants to practice. Spin it fast as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I knew she was going to drop it. Or hit me in the face with it. Okay, try one more time. Oh. Wait, don't drop it till I say so. Go slow, then go faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, that's really good. I could never do that. Good job, Silhouette.
Yeah.
Love you, baby. Say, what do you say?
Fa.
Fa what?
Fa si fu.
Fa so soy fua. See you next video.
Peace.
Peace.